so far this fall season, and we're almost getting into winter, and it felt like winter back in 1950. Yeah, 10 below zero. So even though it's getting down there this morning, pretty cold, below normal, it's nowhere near the record. 32 for your high today, so bundle up. It'll be a chilly day, colder than yesterday, but thankfully we'll have a little bit less wind, and the sun will be out all day long, so that's good news. 28 in Park Falls, 30 in Tomahawk, 30 for your hometown forecast in Lilly. And the southern part of the area will probably rise above freezing in Wisconsin Rapids, 33, 34 in Coloma. And that northwest wind, you'll notice it yet this morning, but it's not going to be as bad as yesterday. A northwest wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And you can enjoy a lot of sunshine out there. Notice some clouds out to the west and some snow, and that will eventually move on in. It's a weak trough of low pressure that will hit the area tomorrow with some clouds for much of the day. But as we get into the evening after dark, that's when we might have a little batch of snow moving on through the area. It's probably not going to accumulate very much, just a dusting, just enough to coat the roadways maybe a little bit. And then on Sunday, it looks like the southeastern part of the area could have some snow in the morning and some snow coming in from the west later in the afternoon. But again, it's not going to add up to a whole lot, but maybe enough to cause just a little travel trouble. Maybe a dusting up to a ½ inch for much of the area Saturday night into Sunday. Maybe up to an inch to the northwest or to the southeast in the state, but not so much here in our area. So not a big deal with that snow, but it is one of the first snowfalls. I guess we had back on Halloween, 2.6 inches, but haven't had much since then. So first snowfall this November on Saturday night into Sunday. Notice still pretty chilly over the weekend, but the coldest day will be coming on Monday, 26 for your high, and still only in the upper 20s on Tuesday. There's a slight chance for a little snow Tuesday night, and then a bit milder trend toward the middle of next week. Those high temperatures should be rising back up into the 30s, and it looks like as we head into the first week of December, probably going to be above normal across the central part of the country. Not real warm, but maybe mid to upper 30s.